Okay, hello everyone. I would like to thank Mr. President and all the staff of this international conference. I am honored to be here on behalf of Professor Saleh, who couldn't come here. Newton was the first scientist who could give some clear definition about the light, and as you know, he supposed that light is some particle, and he believed in particle manner of the life, particle behavior of the light. 1 century after, you have Thomas Young and the famous experiment of double slit that prove the wave manner of the light. But it's really the Einstein codes. It seems as though we must use sometimes the one theory and sometimes the other, while at times we may use either. We are faced with a new kind of difficulty. So even Einstein, after a lot of research, he accepts that it's not really possible to focus just on one manner of the light, and even considering the two aspects, we have some difficulties. According to the Einstein and Planck's research, we know that the energy of the red spectrum is less than the blue one. While even when you look at this light, you feel some more energy, and that's why we use it in such a context, for example, to announce a danger and to capture more attention. Einstein tried to put some theoretic some theory equal to this experimental value, and that's the problem, because it doesn't match. As you saw with the example of the red spectrum, it doesn't match. So our solution is to assume the mass of photon constant. After the helical motion of photon, we will offer a solution for calculating the energy of photon. And after an explanation about the color variety of the photon. The color variety of photon is due to the internal energy of the photon. The new formula about energy of photon is concern the internal energy of photon. And if you add it to the energy that is calculated by the formula of the Max Planck, you have a more coherent formula for the energy of photon, and that explains the difference of the color for the photons, and also the variety of the internal energy. Just as a result, I could say that the most important point about the color variety of photon is about the gyro radius of this three-dimensional motion. So we have to take consideration this element, and after we could calculate the energy of photon, and we have a really coherent and complete explanation for the color variety of the photon.